everyone, welcome back. I'm just gonna show you a really quick updo for curly hair. You could do it with straight hair as well. I feel that if you do have a little bend in your hair, it does help the updo. So I just got out of the shower and I sprayed in my color Fanatics. This is just an all-in-one leave-in conditioner. It has, let's see here, 21 amazing things that it'll do for your hair. It adds shine, it protects your hair from the heat, so it's basically something you could use every time you get out of the shower. Towel dry really well. For curly hair, I like to use a microfiber towel just because it's a little bit softer on our curls, and then I'll just spray this in and you're ready to go. I comb it through with this wide tooth comb and I kind of just twisted it up and clipped it for about an hour just to get some of the moisture out before I go ahead with my updo. So what you're gonna wanna do is just gonna take this twist out. I wanna show you guys how my hair dries. So I'm pretty curly. Also, this is my hair with a keratin. So you gotta imagine how it is without the keratin. It's much curlier than this, and also it's still really wet. So basically, I'm just gonna comb it through once more. You could part it wherever you're comfortable with. All you're gonna need for this look is a hair tie. That's it. So I'm gonna start kind of where I parted it. Leave it a little messy. I just begin to twist at the base. You're gonna continue twisting around and around and around till you get to the back. Okay. Now here we go. Just continue twisting until you get to the back. Now I'm just going to clip it really quick because I want to show you how to do the other side. Same thing on the other side. Really easy. Just continue twisting. Try and keep it as tight as possible. I know it's a little bit difficult on your own hair, also since I'm sure most of you aren't hairdressers, but it's pretty simple. So just start at the base, continue twisting until you meet with the part that you just clipped. Doesn't need to be perfect, guys. Now I like to just twist it into a nice little low bun here. Hair tie. Okay, that's it. You have your quick, easy, twisted updo. You look neat, professional, a little fancy. And that's really it. Make sure you comment below and let me know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see. And I'll see you soon.